Welcome to DESTINA 1 International. We are the life changer. Not only we are able to change people's lives through our technology, but we can change their lives because we are the world's largest platform for social entrepreneurship. We believe that health is wealth. Before we begin, a few house rules. Please silence your cell phone, focus, and ask questions only after the end of the presentation. Now, why are we here? We would like to let everybody know the dangers of electromagnetic radiation, or EMR. EMR basically is just a form of energy that's all around us, which are radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays. Now, you cannot see them, you cannot touch it, you cannot feel it, and more importantly, you cannot smell it. And the problem is, the same frequencies used in modern technology are the same ones used by our bodies, which wreaks havoc on our health. Thus, we are swimming in electrosmog because our body is also made out of bioelectric field. EMR are present everywhere. Cars, television, cell phone tower, refrigerator, air conditioner, hairdryer, laptops, and video game console. You have no place to escape. Just to show you how powerful radiation from cellular phones, here's a short video.
A whole bunch of cell phones in a circle. Do you guys have some cell phones? You can put them in a circle kind of like this, and you can have them call each other. And if they all call each other, the cellular signal is so strong you can actually pop a popcorn kernel. Now, we're going to tackle this head on. So what I need everybody to do, partner up your cell phones so you can call somebody across from the circle from you. And that's what we're going to try to do tonight. And just so you guys don't think that I have a heater built into the table to mess with the popcorn kernels, we'll isolate it with a couple books. I'll put a couple of them just to be safe right there. And right here, and we'll try and get a circle going. Who are the callers? We'll put them on this side. And just because I don't want you to think I'm doing anything fishy, we'll cover those up so I can't do anything to them. Are we all set? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Call. Put them down. Put them down. The cellular signal is so strong, we can pop those popcorn.
So, if it can pop a glass, what can it do to our body? Scientists have discovered that mobile phone radiation can damage the blood-brain barrier. Here's another proof. Thermal imaging of a person before using a mobile phone and after using 15 minutes of mobile phone, you can see the side of the face with the radiation have already penetrated. Here's another video.
We have an announcement finally on whether cell phones cause cancer. It's something that could affect all of us and our children. Scientists from the World Health Organization have been reviewing studies for the last week or so. I want to bring in our senior medical correspondent, Elizabeth Cohen, who joins us live with the findings. Essentially, what did they find?
The World Health Organization says that the radiation from mobile devices like cell phones is a possible carcinogen to humans. This is a very...
Now, World Health Organization have already put up the warning. Now, but who are endangered the most? According to Dr. Gandhi from University of Utah, it shows how radiation penetrates through the skull with this study, and thus he concurred that 5-year-old absorbs 10 times more microwave radiation than does an adult. Here's another warning. Too much gadget use can damage your child. Now, everyone thinks that radiation can only trigger brain cancer. But what are other effects? It will increase your blood pressure, it damages your DNA and immune system, it will cause Parkinson's disease, it will cause heart disease, and decrease sex drive. Now, we live and die at this cellular level. Let me ask you this. How many cells do we have in our body? Millions? Billions? We actually have roughly 35 to 40 trillion cells within our body. Scientists have discovered that every cell is like a mini battery. A healthy cells have an optimum membrane potential of 70 to 90 millivolts, and cancer cells have a membrane potential of only 15 to 20 millivolts. So what happens when the charge within our cells are slowly depleted over time? We get sick. Thus the saying, we live and die on a cellular level. Now, what if you have a technology, a natural technology that can repair the damaged cells and charge the cells back to its optimal level? How much is that technology worth to you? More importantly, would you be interested in listening to this technology? Because we know that stress, lifestyle, and unhealthy nutrition, and more importantly, EMR, can decrease the cell energy. Question is, how do we defend ourselves against EMR and EMF? We believe that the answer is the future of medicine, which is energy medicine. Now, all life is energy. Neurons need energy. Muscle activity needs energy. We need energy to digest our food. And the specific energy we're talking about is called scalar energy. A little history. James Clerk Maxwell, mathematical genius, is the first who theorized the existence of scalar energy. Nikola Tesla, he demonstrated the existence of scalar energy and used it to transmit power wirelessly. And more importantly, Albert Einstein, he recognized the existence of scalar energy and made due reference to it in the 1920s. Now, what are the benefits of advanced scalar energy? It will unclump your red blood cells, which enhances blood circulation, increases oxygen level, improves immune system. It will strengthen the body's biofield against harmful EMR or EMF. It will also reduce inflammation, protects and repair DNA, slows down the aging process, and boosts up energy. How do we prove this? One way to prove it is called a live blood analysis. We analyze 3 clients in this video. First client is a 50-year-old male. As you can see, rouleau is present, clumping of the red blood cells, and very little circulation. This is from poor nutrition, stress, lifestyle, and more importantly, exposure in electromagnetic radiation or EMR. As you can see, clumping of the red blood cell. Now, we've asked the client to wear a device infused or embedded with advanced scalar energy, and 20 minutes later, unclumping of the red blood cell, promotes circulation, more oxygen. Here's another example. Female client on the early 50s. Worst example of rouleau. Type 2 diabetes, unhealthy nutrition, very acidic. 20 minutes of wearing our D1 pendant, unclumping happens, which enhances blood circulation, which increases oxygen in the red blood cell. Now, here's the last example. Male client in the 20s, you can see the healthy blood circulation. Unfortunately, you can see the clumping of the red blood cell due to poor nutrition, junk foods, and all of that. Now, wearing 24 hours, you can see the difference within the red blood cells. Unclumping, much better circulation, and more importantly, the increase in oxygen. That is what a D1 advanced scalar energy pendant can do. What are the properties of this D1 biometrics pendant. It is a mineral matrix with more than 76 kinds of energy-releasing minerals extracted from earth rocks. Thus, it's all natural. And we infused it with 5 key elements clockwise from the red stone, far infrared, biomagnetic, followed by negative ion stone, and advanced scalar energy stone, lastly, tourmaline stone. Our company guarantees a lifetime of energy from the D1 pendant. Now, if it can do that to our blood, how could scalar energy benefit from the water that we drink? Have you heard of the saying that the quality water we drink is just as important as the quantity? Well, according to Dr. Masaru Emoto, world-renowned water scientist, current water today contains big water cluster molecule. Thus, when you drink it, not all or majority of them does not penetrate through the cell walls. Advanced scalar energy will break down the big water cluster molecule into small water cluster molecule. So once you drink an energized scalar water, it could now permeate through the cell wall, hydrates the cells, which could expel toxins through urine and sweat. This is Dr. Masaru Emoto, proven by his crystalline test. On the left, he analyzed plain distilled water. There is no organized form or crystalline structure. It's called dead water. Within 10 minutes, the same distilled water, energized with scalar energy, it shows a well-formed water crystal or energized water, which now become or considered healthy water. Now what else? You've heard of the pH chart. pH stands for potential hydrogen. pH level 7 is neutral. Anything below 7 is considered acidic, and anything above 7 is considered alkaline. Now, most water that we drink, most tap water, falls on a pH 7. Unfortunately, the eggs, the tea, the beer, the sugar, and most bottled water or reverse osmosis falls on a pH level 5 and level 6. Now, if you were to put snails, rainbow trout, frogs, and crayfish in a level 5 water or a level 6 pH water, they will die. Now, the coffee, white bread, shellfish, pastries, pasta, cheese, soft drinks, they fall on level 3 and level 4 pH level. Now, if you put all fish in that type of environment, they will die. Hydrochloric acid and battery acid are on a 0 to a 2 potential hydrogen level. If humans are exposed to hydrochloric acid and battery acid, we will die. Thus, most doctors and experts today recommend eating vegetables and more fruits in our diet to help your red blood cells increase the potential hydrogen into a level 8. It is now recommended to eat 1 dozen apple or 1 kilo almonds to get to that level. To get to a level 9, you probably need to juice 1 to 2 kilos of celery. To get to level 10, you probably need to drink 1 bottle of olive oil per day. We live a very busy life, thus DESTINA One have come up with a better solution called the Scalar Energy Flask and Scalar Energy Stick. Thus, these are portable, convenient, and requires no electricity. It transforms water into alkaline pH 8 within 10 minutes. It's healthy and energizing, natural mineral water, and super cellular hydration. Now, we have a Cosmetric Herbal Care line. This is the first organic, natural cosmetic line infused or embedded with advanced scalar energy. First is called the Cosmetrix Antioxidant V Serum, which is applied after you wash your face in the morning and at night. Basically, this is the natural Botox for our face without the toxins and the cost of paying for Botox. Now, then we apply Complexion Perfection, which now evens out the skin and also acts as a natural sunblock, which is perfect for women prior to putting on the foundation. And lastly, we put on Advanced Timeless, which is the natural hydration for our cells within our face. Those are the three that comes in a set that we recommend for cosmetic lines. Now we also have Herbal Hair Revitalizer, not only to promote hair growth, but it will also strengthen the hair and hair follicles and stop from the hair falling. We also have Herbal Hand and Body Moisturizer, and more importantly, Herbal Remedium Cream. It's basically it's soothing. It will help for any skin disorder. You can also apply as a herbal cream within the navel for any menstrual cramp, any pain. You can apply directly. You can also have eczema or psoriasis that you can also apply directly to the skin. Those are our Cosmatrix Herbal Care. We have a beautiful product called Scalarvia. The benefits of Scalarvia, basically, it will help maintain a balanced blood pressure. It will help control your cholesterol level. It will help control your diabetes. It will strengthen the immune system, promotes hair and muscle growth. It boosts sexuality, improves mood, and prevents insomnia. Now, what's in Scalarvia? Scalarvia contains 3 ingredients in one bottle. First, it is enhanced with advanced scalar energy and a natural Ayurvedic stevia extract with growth factor concentrate. Each bottle contains 200 drops and 1 drop acts as a natural sweetener. But for health purpose, we recommend for the therapy 12 to 15 drops per day. You can dilute it with 1.5 liter water. For better absorption, we recommend 2 to 3 drops under your tongue or sublingual 5 times a day. Our last and most amazing product as well is called the Biometric Shield. This basically neutralizes all the harmful radiation, and it can be used and applied for all devices and all appliances, such as mobile phone, laptops, refrigerators, television, air conditioner, and microwave. Now, everyone has a story to tell. This is a repeatable experiment which can demonstrate the effect of a D1 pendant on a common orange. Why? Orange is a good example because orange contains 70% water, which is similar to the human body. You can see a normal size orange we purchased on the same day. We used 1 orange and put a D1 pendant underneath to demonstrate the effect within the orange. Within 65 days, you can see the orange above with advanced scalar energy. It now reduces the oxidation, and without advanced scalar energy, oxidation happened, which now ruined the orange. Here's another example. This is a female patient that has masses on both breasts, and you can see within 4 months, the result of her mammogram shows no more sign of breast cancer. Another amazing testimonial, a female patient with spinal cord injury and several arthritis. The use of D1 pendant applied on her back. Immediately she felt relief from the pain, and by holding with her arthritic hand on the left hand, within 3 hours the pain went away, and then holding it on the curled up hand, as you can see on the picture, within 3 hours it now became straight. Here's some effect on exposure and hair loss and dark patches around the eyes within 10 days. An amazing testimonials of a woman who suffered from eczema for 15 years. All treatment she tried had failed, but within 1 month using our advanced scalar energy, you can see the immediate and effective result within 1 month. Now here's the effect of Cosmatrix Herbal Care, which we applied on one side, the before and after using the V Serum, Complexion Perfection, and Timeless. Here's a male patient who used live blood analysis within 24 hours of using D1 pendant. This is before using our advanced scalar energy, and on the right is the live blood analysis photo after. And this is in fact that he intentionally tried to sabotage the test by having a night out with drinking and smoking, but it still showed a significant improvement within the red blood cells. Here's an effect of someone who had a stroke. Within 3 weeks, regained the upper extremities and now able to feed himself. Here's a rice experiment of using the scalar alkaline water from our flask or stick, cooking it with a normal tap water, comparing it with our advanced scalar energized water. You can see the reduction of the oxidation within the rice. Basically within 4 or 5 days, the rice below, pictured below, it's still fresh, while the rice that was cooked on the same day has already been molded. Now, warning, graphic images. You can see right here the before and after of a wilted plant using scalar energized water. And here's a gentleman who have suffered a severe psoriasis for all over the body, tried many types of remedies. Only after using advanced scalar energy will he found relief, so as the person below who has severe skin disorder, not only from the feet and hands, you can see in a matter of a few months the significant improvement. Now here's another experiment of a person that was suffering from severe gangrene through diabetes, and he was scheduled for amputation. As you can see, within 4 days, you can see the significant improvement using our products. And because we were able to save his leg, is one of the most amazing testimonials that we have who have used our products. Here's another healing that was brought by drinking Scalarvia and advanced scalar energy for someone who's suffering from diabetes. Within 10 days, you can see the significant improvement. Lastly, a female diabetic patient with an open wound that has not healed in months, you can see the significant improvement just by using our advanced scalar energy products. Now, who is DESTINA 1? DESTINA 1 is already within 90 countries using our products. Here's our USA headquarters, our European headquarters, financial hub, and more importantly, our world headquarters. We are now licensed in 67 countries. And this is our Lord Professor and Dr. Bharani Karunakaran. He is our D1 Group Executive Chairman and Group CEO. He's received many awards such as Best Manager of the Year, winner of Asia Honesty Entrepreneur Award, Queen Victoria Commemorative Medal Award, awarded Asia Pacific Top CEO and USA the World Business Award, World Leader Business Person, and World Most Outstanding Business Leader. Now his father, Professor and Dr. Karunakaran, he is our D1 Group Vice President. He's also received Excellence in Business Leadership and Excellence in Quality Management Award. These are our board and advisory team. These are our technology partners. World-class awards for our company. European Business Assembly Award for our company. World-class awards for our products such as Super Health Brand, Asia Pacific Entrepreneur Excellent Products, and Asia Top 100 Honesty Brand, and Asia Honesty Product Award for Advanced Scalar Technology. And more importantly, it's not all about making money in business, it's all about giving back to those who are in need. Thus, the company have set up an international foundation called Hope for Mankind, where we give back a portion of the company's profit to those in need. Now, we're going to take a moment to show you a demonstration how within 7 seconds advanced scalar energy can penetrate within our body through shield test, balance, flexibility, strength, and energy test. Isn't that amazing? Now, if you are wondering how much does these products cost? But before I answer that, let me ask you this. If you have a technology that can repair the damaged cells and charge your cells naturally to the optimal 70 to 90 millivolts, which have shown significant improvement for those that suffers from diabetes, from stroke, eczema, severe psoriasis, how much would you be willing to spend for your health? If you think wellness is expensive, then try illness.